Good morning. Welcome to Globe Trek Travel. How can I assist you today?
Hi, we're planning on a vacation for next month, just the two of us. We want to get away somewhere warm and relaxing, but with some activities too.
Yeah, we're thinking about a full package, flights, hotels, and airport transfers. We wanted it all handled so it's hassle free.
You've come to the right place. We specialize in custom travel packages. Do you have any specific dates in mind for your departure and return?
We want to leave around October 15th and come back about 10 days later.
All right, I'll check the availability for flights and hotels during that period. For flights, would you prefer economy, business class, or a combination?
We'd love to fly business class because we want to arrive fresh and relaxed. Return economy should be fine.
Good plan. And for accommodation, any preferences? Beachfront resorts, boutique hotels, or maybe a luxury villa?
Definitely beachfront. We want to wake up to the ocean views.
Tours, maybe cultural visits, nature excursion, that sort of thing.
Excellent. Let me bring in Kim from Sunscape Tours. She handles all the detailed tour arrangements and packages. Kim, are you free to join us?
Hi, Matrisha. Yes, I'm here. What's the plan?
I've got two clients, Charmaine and Mary, interested in a tropical getaway in mid-October about 10 days. They want business class flights going out, beachfront accommodation, and a mix of relaxation and guided tours.
Sounds perfect. I have a Bali package available then. It includes round-trip airfare with business class on departure, 9 nights and 5-star beachfront resorts, daily breakfast, and a dinner, and several optional guided tours like waterfall, temples, snorkeling, and a Balinese cooking class. Also, airport pickup and drop-offs included.
That sounds amazing. How limited is the availability?
Only a handful of spots left for those dates. Bali is very popular in October. If you want, I can put you on temporary hold on the reservation for you.
Please do. Can you tell us about the total cost?
Sure, for two people, including flights, transfer, hotels, meals, tours, and travel insurance, it's 70,000 pesos.
And just to be clear, the arrival in Bali is on October 16th in the morning, and the departure is October 25th late evening. That gives you 9 full days on the island.
What's an itinerary like? Are we locked into tours or can we customize?
There's a standard itinerary, but it's flexible. You can pick and choose with excursion to join. For example, if you prefer a day to relax at the resort instead of a temple visit, that's fine. The cooking class and snorkeling tours are very popular but optional.
Sounds great. And what about the booking process? What do we need to do?
We'll collect your passport details and payment info to secure the flights and hotel. Once confirmed, you'll get a full confirmation package with your itinerary, e-tickets, hotel vouchers, and contact info for your guides.
Do we need to worry about visas or vaccinations?
For Bali, most tourists can get a visa on arrival, but it's good to double check closer to your trip. Vaccinations aren't mandatory but recommended. I send you a travel advisory sheet with that info. Refund if cancel 14 days before the departure date. After that, cancellation fees apply depending on the airline and hotel policy. Your travel insurance covers many unforeseen events like illness.
Great! Would you like me to make the booking now to secure the spot?
Yes, please proceed with the booking to secure the spot. Kindly confirm once the reservation has been made and let me know if you require any additional information from my end. Thank you.
Congratulations, your Bali trip is booked. You'll receive all your travel documents, including flight tickets, hotel confirmation, and detailed itinerary via email within 24 hours.
Looking forward to seeing you both in Bali. Remember to check your email for free trip info and tips.
And before you go, come back to Globe Trek Travel for a quick pre-trip briefing. We'll review your arrival details, baggage allowances, and answer any last-minute questions.
Thank you. We'll definitely stop by GlobeCheck Travels for our pre-trip briefing before we go. We appreciate you taking the time to review all the details and help with any last-minute questions.